Hello, I'm Richard Scheuermann, the campus director here at the J. Craig Venter Institute in La Jolla, California. We're absolutely thrilled to have been selected as one of the first recipients of a grant from the Conrad Prebys Foundation that will help support our research on the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. With its relatively high transmissibility and case fatality rates, SARS-CoV-2 is probably the most concerning infectious disease agent that's emerged in the last century. And our best option for controlling this public health crisis is to achieve population level immunity against future infections. And so we're working on the development of effective vaccines that can help protect us against this current outbreak. But even if we have the effective vaccines, it's going to be critical for us to monitor how this coronavirus is mutating and evolving over time in order to determine if it has mutated to escape the protection that's provided by the first generation of these vaccines. And thus, having an early warning system in place that can rapidly assess mutations as they're emerging and predict whether they're going to have an impact on the effectiveness of the vaccines is really critical as we kind of monitor how this virus is evolving. And so the goals of our research project are to use advanced experimental methods to map the regions of this coronavirus that are recognized by the human immune system, and then to use that information to develop an early warning risk assessment system based on the use of artificial intelligence machine learning that will allow us to identify mutations in the coronavirus as they emerge and predict what impact they might have on the effectiveness of the first generation vaccines. And with this information in hand, we can better design the second generation vaccines to maximize their effectiveness. And so we're really happy to have received support from the Conrad Prebys Foundation to help support this important research on a coronavirus vaccine effectiveness.